The fence on the SawStop Jobsite Pro is by far the best table saw fence I have ever owned on any portable table saw. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of the 3 Paulk Smart Benches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans 24/7, 365. When I'm doing woodwork, I'm using a table saw. I depend on it. It has to be accurate and it just has to work for me. I don't want to fiddle and fuss with things that slow me down. I really enjoy the push button where I just slide it on the scale to right where I want it and lock it in, and it's locked and it's rigid. It doesn't go anywhere. I can trust it because I've set the scale up to be accurate. I can trust it to give me the dimension I want without having to put a tape measure on it. And also I know that it's going to be parallel. I'm not going to get any deflection. There is one technique though that I learned. It took me a little time, maybe just because I'm a slow learner. It seems so simple. When you push the button down, it squares up the fence. And in doing so, there's a slight movement in the fence. It's not much, but just a little bit off my dimension. Once I get it to my adjustment, I just pull back on it. And that's going ahead and squaring it up. So now when I push the lock in, it's not having to square up. It's already square, and it's not much, it's just a slight pull. That's just so that it can move. In fact, I push it forward to move it. It moves smoother that way. If I'm holding it back, it's a little more difficult to get it to where I want it. So once I get it up to where I want it, I just pull it back, make sure it's there, push it down, and I can trust it, and it's ready to go, and it's rigid. It's going to stay where it needs to be. If you enjoyed this tool tip, take a millisecond and right down there, hit that thumbs up button. It helps drive the algorithm at YouTube, so they'll serve it up to more woodworkers out there and help grow the subscriber base at the Smart Wood Shop, which of course helps support the channel. Also, if you don't want to miss any videos that I put up, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and get out there and make some sawdust.